gorgeous people, it's me Alaine and we're back for another video. And for today's video guys, as you can see in the title, I will be unboxing a peer package from Glamskin Manila. So without further ado, let's get started.
If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise like yours. If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart.
As you can see guys, nakalagay siya sa tote bag and yung design ng tote bag, merong Glamskin Manila, tapos yung quote nila na be glamorous in a very affordable way. Tapos yung heart nga pala na love na yan, nakalagay dyan yung mga titles ng mga brand ambassadors. And I'm very grateful that I am one of the chosen brand ambassadors ng Glamskin Manila. Ako yung gorgeous brand ambassador nila. So if you wanna use my code, it's gorgeous. And you'll get 20% off with a minimum purchase of 500 guys nga pala. Magkakaroon kayo ng free na shipping fee. So, all you have to do is just go to their website at www.glamskinmanila.com and choose your items. So guys, yung laman ng tote bag na to is merong dalawang glam shield. Ito yung bago nilang labas na mask. Actually, nagamit ko na yung isa sa mga to. So, super ganda ng mga mask nila. Kasi aside from meron silang pouch, meron ka pang free 5-layer na activated carbon filter, which is good. And also guys, this is reusable and also washable. Next one, I will be unboxing my Glambox from Glamskin Manila. As you can see guys, meron nakaprint na name dyan. Nakalagay Alaine. Tapos, it is also sealed ng Glamskin Manila na tape. Personalize siya, guys. Hi! Say hi! Lady, hi! Hi! So, yun nga, guys. Actually, I received this package last week. 5 days ago to be exact. So, yun na nga, guys. Buksan na natin yung Glambox ko. So, pagkabukas nito, unang nandito is meron silang pa-letter. Nakalagay dito, Dear Alaine, welcome to Glamskin Manila family. Here's a glam box full of products for you to try. We are delighted to label you as our gorgeous brand ambassador. We are excited to work with you alongside with your other co-brand ambassadors. Please feel free to tag or mention us whenever you post a review about our products. Together, we will all be glamorous in a very affordable way. Love and Temprosa. Siya yung brand owner. Thank you so much, Miss Anne, for this glam box. You're so very generous po. And also sa Glam Shield, thank you po for choosing me as well as your gorgeous brand ambassador. So yun nga guys, pagkabukas po ng Glam Box, meron silang pa-letter, tapos merong mga wrapper dito. Alisin ko lang. Ito guys, yung laman ng Glambox, sobrang dami, grabe. As in, sobrang dami. So first products that I have here guys, meron silang binigay na dalawang eyebrow brush. Yan. Mukhang maganda yung eyebrow brush na to kasi maliit lang yung pagka-angle brush niya. So, for sure, madali lang tong i-apply sa kilay. I will definitely use this. Siguro agad-agad, mamaya ganon. And then, binigyan din nila ako nung kanilang bagong product. This was actually launched no July 19. I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong. Pero ito yung bago nilang product na Pristine Skin Body, which I will be reviewing in my future video. So, stay tuned for that. And then, they also gave me their makeup sponge set. So, sponge siya. Tapos, meron din siyang sponge holder, which is very generous. Ang saucy din tingnan. Meron akong pink and then meron din akong black. Latex-free and hypoallergenic yung kanilang sponges. So, make sure to check them out after this video. Also, they gave me 4 eyebrow pomade. May dark brown, may light brown, merong brown, at merong ebony black. And next guys, meron din silang pinadalang micellar cleansing water. Ganito siya. 30 ml yung etong bottle na to. Next, they also gave me 4 liquid highlighters in the shade Dazzling, Splendid, Luminous, at saka Glaze. Swatch natin. Ganito yung itsura niya guys. Super cute. Para siyang cutie. So, first highlighter that I have here is in the shade Glaze. So, So, ganito yung itsura niya. Color pink siya. And then, next highlighter is color gold in the shade Splendid. Ito yung Splendid, guys. Next liquid highlighter I have here is in the shade Dazzling. So, ito si Dazzling. Super gaganda, grabe. I will definitely use this sa future looks ko. And then, last but not the least is in the shade Luminous. So, ito yung si Luminous. So, yan yung mga shades ng liquid highlighter nila, guys. Next product na pinadala nila is body scrub. Yung Endless na body scrub nila. Ganito yung itsura niya. And then next one, guys, grabe, sobrang dami. Binigyan nila ako ng soft matte lip and cheek cream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 yung pinadala nilang shades. So, I will definitely make a swatch party for this soft matte lip and cheek creams. And last but not the least, they also sent me high definition lip and cheek tint. Sobrang dami. 1, 2, 3, 9 lip and cheek tint yung pinadala nila. Tapos, 6 na soft matte lip and cheek cream. So, I will make a swatch party for these two. So, there you have it, guys. Ito lahat yung pinadala nila. So, super dami talaga. As in, thank you so much, Miss Anne, and also Glamskin Manila family for sending me these and also for choosing me as one of your brand ambassador. And again, guys, you can use my code GORGEOUS and it will give you 20% off in all of your purchases, especially sa regular items nila. And don't forget, guys, above 500 pesos na purchase, you will get free shipping na. So all you have to do is just check their website at www.glamskinmanila.com, and also you can follow their Instagram and also their Facebook page at Glamskin Manila. So ito lahat ng na-receive ko sa kanila. Meron silang pag-glam shield. Ito, guys, bago lang din to. Meron din silang pristine skin body. Tapos may mga lippies. Tapos merong micellar water. May body scrub. May liquid highlighters. Merong eyebrow brush. Tapos meron din silang sponge na may holder. And last but not least, meron din silang mga brow pomades na pinadala sa akin. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Alaine-DLR and also my Facebook page at Alaine-DLR. And don't forget to click the notification bell on the side to keep you guys updated on my future videos. And you can also comment down below your thoughts and suggestions for my future video. Thank you so much for watching, and also thank you so much, Miss Anne and Glamskin Manila, for sending me these. And always remember, guys, you are beautifully and wonderfully made. Bye for now!
1, 2, 3, fuck